How to fix playback error on IPTV. I'm going to tell you how to fix playback errors on IPTV. First, check your internet connection. IPTV needs stable speeds, at least 10 Mbps. Restart your router if needed. Next, try switching channels. If only one isn't working, the issue might be on the provider's end. If none work, clear the cache on your IPTV app or restart the app entirely. Still not working? Try updating the app. An outdated version can cause playback errors. If you're using an M3U playlist, re-upload it. It may have expired or changed. Also, make sure your device's date and time settings are correct. That small detail can actually break the stream. For Android TV or Fire Stick users, uninstalling and reinstalling the app often solves hidden glitches. And if you're using a VPN, try turning it off. It can block or slow down IPTV traffic.